I'm the founder of USETECH. USETECH is a non-profit organization that we started up to help the youth, especially the refugees, to acquire skills in computer basics. We have come up with this idea because we have seen most refugees have been unemployed for a long time, but we are very sure that when we train them these simple skills, they are able to start up their own jobs. So we are teaching them various skills, especially data management, that is data collection, data cleaning, data analysis. Then we come to graphic designing, video editing, programming, networking, and then Microsoft Office, especially that is Excel, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and so many others. So we are calling upon all well-wishers to come and support us. And also, if you're there and you want to acquire these skills, we are kindly requesting you guys to come and join us. Yeah, so thank you so much. And I would request continue following Changwari FM 102. Thank you, bye. Yeah, that is Ref FM. Ref FM, Ref FM. It's located in Changwari Refugee Settlement. And we love you guys. Bye.